Next up, Apple tipped to release an iPad Mini Pro. You never saw that coming, Will?
No.
You never imagined such a thing. You were like, the iPad Mini, they don't even care about the iPad Mini. They just leave it the same all the time. iPad Mini, what it got a little bit faster, but it looks like 1997 in there. You know? iPad Minis. Okay, maybe not now. I'm exaggerating.
Sure.
It's a show. This is a show. There's cameras. There's microphones. There's a purple flame in the background. It's a show.
Yeah.
Did you point to the purple?
I tried, but I
failed.
Completely missed.
Anyway, iPad Mini Pro. Let me break it down for you. It's a rumor. It may or may not come true. However, it's a report out of South Korea. The report adds the device has already passed R&D and product planning stages of development, meaning it has cleared the initial hurdles. I mean, these people believe that something's going on over here. Presumably, the iPad Mini Pro would look like the iPad Mini 6, which is rumored to feature a 9.15-inch display. So they're finally going to fix the forehead chin situation, the bezel situation, get something looking more modern in the mini form factor.
Okay.
And then you know how it goes with the Pro. When you're going Pro, you're getting slightly higher specifications. Maybe you're getting some LiDAR stuff. Maybe you're getting, obviously you can use the pen and do these things. And maybe you get some accessories for it. You flip and flap around the keyboards.
Mm-hmm. MagSafe.
What is a computer?
Yeah.
You do that whole thing.
The flippy flappy.
Exactly.
Sure.
It's a laptop. It's a tablet. It's everything else. Now, I don't mind the form factor. Actually, I kind of like smaller tablets. I'll tell you what. In my personal experience, I've had them all. And I gravitate right now, if I got to grab a tablet, to 1011 in terms of scale.
Okay.
So you tell me 9.15-inch display, and I start to think maybe that's optimal. No fatigue holding it, a little better than your phone.
Sure.
Make it really thin, make it really light. I'm moving around. I'm moving. I'm grooving.
Yeah.
I got the iPad Mini Pro.
And you also got a laptop, too, if you want a bigger screen.
I got laptops.
Sure.
You know.
Yeah.
I got laptops. So anyways, they're saying that maybe the Mini Pro wouldn't have exactly the same screen size as the iPad Mini 6, but it would be very close. The speculation here is it could be anywhere between 8.7 and 9.15 inches. But the confusing part is that's quite a few iPads now. So you would have this Mini Pro, you would have the 11-inch Pro, you have the 12-inch, 12.9, you have the current iPad Mini, the next iPad Mini, iPad Mini Pro, then you have the iPad Air.
The Air, yes.
It's a lot of iPads.
It is, yeah.
Important to note. And I think they also just have a straight-up budget iPad. Is there a product just called iPad right now? What's the cheapest? It's a 10.2. It's a lot of iPads. But Apple they've really hung in there as far as tablets are concerned, where others have failed or bailed. They're sticking around. They're going to sell you an iPad. Yeah, right over there. iPad 8th generation. Like that's the budget model, right? If you scroll down, starting at $329. That's the volume model. So if all this happens, we're talking about quite a few iPads to choose from.
God. I just opened I unlocked it.
Yeah.
To all the models here.
Right. So what do you got? You got 12.9. You got 12.9-inch the Pro, 11-inch Pro, iPad Air 4th generation, iPad 8th generation, iPad Mini 5th generation, and then they're still selling 1st generation Pros. Versions. But still, it's a lot of iPads, and they appear to be, well, at least there's a possibility here of them adding to it. You guys tell me in the comments, what is the optimal tablet size? Is it going to be around 10, 9, 10, 11, 12, or 13? I don't know. Where does it live? What is the optimal tablet size for you and why?